Hi everybody, this is Ethan from Viaplay, and today we are going to talk about emulators and retro gaming. So I'm going to show you how you can use the Viaplay F2 Bluetooth gamepad to play all your favorite games from the past: Super Nintendo, PlayStation, Game Boy Advance, and more. So stay tuned. Okay, we have our Via-Gamepad F2 paired via Bluetooth, and we're ready to show you some emulated games. We'll start with PlayStation, so I'll go here into my games directory and launch FPSC. Now, we don't advise you to download any ROMs that are not legal. Please only use your own legally backed up ROMs from games that you own. So this is a game that I really enjoy, and I only found later after the PlayStation wasn't so much used, but it's called Pandemonium 2. You can see here we're running the FPSC PlayStation emulator, and there's some on-screen controls that will work for controlling this character. However, since the F2 is already connected, we don't need that. So we just press the back button here. We go to settings, okay, and then go to gamepad. Now, overlay, and we are going to disable the overlay. I'll make it full transparent. Maybe that's the best way to overlay it. See here? And I've already gone into the buttons mapping, and you can see here I've mapped this to triangle, square, circle, and X. And this is a very fun game. I suggest you try it out. Pandemonium 2. It's got double jumps, which is a lot of fun. So you can see here, PlayStation emulation runs really smooth. I'm on a LG G3 right now. So the compatibility list is very high for this PlayStation emulator, so you can play just about any PlayStation game on here. Now we're going to go back in time a little bit and take a look at my favorite console, the Sega Genesis. I'm going to launch the emulator here, which is called Gen Plus Droid. And when it launches, you'll see here, you can go to settings. This is the same for all different types of emulators. If you scroll down, you'll see there is configure key gamepad input. So you just press it here. And then any key you want, like the button A, you just press that button and then the corresponding button that you'd like to map, and it will automatically remember those settings. So now I'm going to go back to the game here, and I'm going to load a ROM. I am going to load the ROM, which is called Rocket Knight Adventures, which is a fun game. I really like this game, and this is another game that I discovered later in life. So here it is. This game's made by Konami. Very overlooked game. Let's see here. So you see here, if you have a big enough memory card, you could put all your favorite Sega Genesis ROMs on there, and I suggest you check out this one, which is Rocket Knight Adventures. You have to beat it 3 times before you get the real ending, so it will keep you busy. And for all you N64 lovers out there, I suggest to use the Muppin 64 Plus AE emulator. It's the best one I've seen so far. So one cool thing about this emulator is that you can play games like GoldenEye with 2 Viaplay Gamepad F2s, and it will do split screen, so it's a lot of fun. You can do this sort of multiplayer. I have right now Mario 64 set up. You see it's working very nicely. Right now you see it's stretching to the whole aspect ratio of the phone, and it's using the native resolution of this phone, which is 2560 by 1440. You can lower the resolution if that makes it run smoother on your phone, and if you prefer Mario not to look so stretched, you can run it at the native aspect ratio. But again, I like to fill the whole screen, so it might look slightly stretched. But it's beautiful, colorful, and there's no lag at all. Thanks everybody for watching. If there's any additional consoles that you'd like us to show you how to use on the Viaplay Gamepad F2, we're happy to do it. Our next video series will be on the Viaplay Android Mini PC. Bye.